a YouTube channel right now, you need to hear this. There are certain niches YouTube is aggressively monitoring and mass terminating. And no, this is not fear-mongering. It is happening left, right, and center. For example, there is this Sarah Finance channel. She came out expressing a fear about her channel getting deleted. She even did a video and posted it on her channel that was her last
how my
video
YouTube channel might get
fear.
deleted.
And she's not
I
alone.
guess since then,
there are several others. There's this channel here with almost 1 million subscribers. Went ahead and changed almost all its thumbnails and titles just to escape from the danger. So, before you put all your time and energy into a niche that might be gone tomorrow, let's talk about 10 most dangerous niches right now and how to protect your channel. Let's get straight into it. Coming first is the Faceless sensational entertainment channel. This is the niche that is getting hit the hardest. If your channel is faceless, uses AI voiceovers, uses scripts written by someone else, and simply narrates viral stories without adding real valuable commentary, YouTube is flagging these channels as low quality, non-transformative contents. For example, reading Reddit stories word for word, narrating TikTok stories with no personal analysis, using AI to rewrite other creator scripts, rehearsing trending stories without adding research. If you don't add unique commentary, your own thoughts, fresh insights, clear transformation, YouTube may classify your content as repetitive. And repetitive content is one of the fastest paths to demonetization and termination. You have to know that faceless is not the problem. The problem is low effort. The second niche is the make money online channels. YouTube is cracking down very hard on this niche because of widespread misinformation. There are a lot of misinformation going around on this niche. Many creators are exaggerating earnings, promising income without proof, making get-rich-quick claims, using clickbait titles like make $500 every 10 minutes. YouTube sees that as misleading financial advice. If you cannot back up your claims, show real proof, explain realistic expectations, you risk getting your video removed, your channel getting demonetized, your entire channel terminated for deceptive practices. If you are into this niche, stay transparent and realistic. Otherwise, YouTube will not hesitate. The third niche is the adult themes and suggestive content. Many creators underestimate this niche. Even if your content is not explicit, YouTube still restricts. Overly suggestive thumbnails, clickbait using body parts, try not to type content, topics that lead towards sexual humor. These videos get age restricted, demonetized, removed, and channels flagged for repeated violations. If your content relies on shock value, your channel is constantly walking on a tightrope. The fourth niche is the intense conflict, aggression, and drama footage. This includes physical fights, violent confrontations, security camera conflicts, street drama clips, intense argument captured on video. YouTube considers this as promoting harmful and violent behavior, even if they are for entertainment. Many channels in this niche are being demonetized, shadow banned, terminated under harmful and dangerous content. Even blood or censored conflict may still violate policies. The fifth niche is harassment, exposing, and negative behavior channels. To be honest, call-out culture is real, but YouTube is actively discouraging contents that mock people, embarrass strangers, attack creators, insult celebrities, reacts negatively to someone's appearance or life, exposes people's private issues. YouTube wants positivity and not toxicity. If your content thrives on tearing people down, your channel will not survive these new enforcement rules. The sixth niche is the compilation channels with no permission. This niche used to print money, not anymore. If you are compiling TikToks, funny videos, memes, viral clips, fails, and you do not have written permission from the original creator, your channel is a strike waiting to happen. Fair use is not putting clips together, adding background music, and adding text at the bottom. YouTube wants permission, commentary, and transformation. Without it, you are terminating compilation channels daily. The seventh niche is the true crime channels that are not properly researched. The true crime niche is powerful but risky. Many creators repeat false information, pull from random blogs, use inaccurate timelines, accuse people without verifiable facts. This is dangerous. True crime involves real people, real families, and real investigations. If you misrepresent details, you can be reported, and YouTube acts fast. It doesn't want to get involved. And the rule is simple: if you don't verify it, don't say it. The eighth niche is the AI slap channels. This is pure AI. These are channels where human creator is missing completely. They use AI scripts, AI voiceovers, AI generated faces, AI generated stock clips, AI music, AI images. YouTube now recognizes this as low value, repetitive, or automated content. They are mass terminating these channels for lack of originality, misleading audiences, low transformation, policy violations. AI is here to support your creativity, but not to replace it. The ninth niche, misleading and deceptive content. This one is affecting all niches. If your video overpromises, misrepresent the topic, uses clickbait titles without delivering, shows thumbnails of events that never happen, uses numbers or claims that are impossible, YouTube sees it as deceptive practices. Even one major violation can cost your channel. The platform wants trust and accuracy. And the 10th niche, celebrity drama, fake AI thumbnails, and false claims. This is another niche being wiped out. For example, fake celebrity breakups, AI generated photos showing celebrities doing impossible things, fabricated scandals, fake pregnancy or cheating rumor, exaggerated drama. Anything that spreads misinformation about a real person breaks the misinformation rules. This was very clear in the story of the P. Diddy. During the P. Diddy trial, there were so many fake AI stories about P. Diddy. The P. Diddy trial. If your thumbnail shows a celebrity crying, injured, pregnant, or in a scandal that never happened, that's a direct violation. Listen, my goal is not to scare you. My goal is to protect you. The platform wants quality, authenticity, and positivity. If you are in any of these niches, don't panic. Just make sure you add your own voice, bring genuine value, transform your content, verify your information, stay respectful, avoid shock tactics, stay truthful, and most importantly, create content that you are proud of. Because the safest niche in 2025 is being original, being honest, and being you. See you in the next video.